guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a wedding probes all by yourself. So let's start. And the very first probe that I'm gonna make it is bride team. And for that I have taken a glitter paper and written a word bride over roughly on a glitter paper. And now cut down the letters carefully. Yes, as you can see that here I am cutting, that is the word D. And yes, now I have repeated the same procedure for word team and cut down the letters for word team. Here I am using a black glitter paper and right now I am cutting letter A. And this is letter M. And now to decorate the probes more, I am pasting this cute little heart shape over a probe. And this will look super cute over a probe. Now, take a cardboard, apply glue over it and stick the glitter paper. And yes, don't forget to stick all the letters that we have cut early. Now, you can see how these probes look like. And if you guys are new to my channel, then check out my other creative videos too. And if you like, then don't forget to subscribe. And yes, now we are done with our first probe. You can see this. And now let's do the preparation for the second probe. We have to repeat the same procedure. So now repeat the same procedure for word forever and apply glue and again stick a glitter paper over a cardboard. So yes, you can see this is I am pasting a glue over a cardboard and here is a black glitter paper that I am pasting over a cardboard. If you want me to make a more video on a wedding probes and if you guys have any query related this, so please do let me know in the comment section so that I can help you to solve your queries. And yes, finally locate the cardboard over an ice cream stick. And yes, we are almost done. Here we go. Hope you all are like my videos. Thanks for watching and if you like my video then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.